There are 2,600 species of palm trees around the world. Billions of dollars obtained every year from 1,000 different palm products. That implies how important palms are to the country's national income and the world's economy as a whole.
However, this production is severely affected every year. The FAO estimates that 30% of palms all over the world are affected by just a small single pest, red palm weevil. This pest flies in the field till it reaches a palm's trunk surface. It lays eggs and begins to spread out on the inside of the trunk and destroys its vascular system. This leads the palm temperature to slowly increase and the water stress level to slowly decrease, leaving no visible symptoms that could reveal the pest's existence to the naked eye until it's too late to save the palm. Apart from this pest, there are also other very common diseases infecting many tree types including palms, brown leaf spot and blight leaf spot, which are widely spread in the palm leaves. The challenging part is that they are so similar to each other, which makes it often confusing.
The current detection methods don't provide an ultimate solution. Instead, they did provide a solution that is expensive and is not environmental friendly. Let's take the detection sensors as an example. To put a detection sensor, you must dig deep till reaching the trunk center, which harms the palm and leads to more pest attraction upon smelling the scent of the whole. Furthermore, each sensor must be attached to one palm at a time. So on a great scale field containing 10,000 palms, it may cost a lot of money and effort. And here comes our turn. We have developed Palm Care. This is a mobile application that could detect all of the three diseases. How it works? We bought a USB thermal camera which can be connected to any smartphone. Our user walks in the field, choosing a palm to check if there is red palm weevil infected it, and begins capturing images. The same for other two diseases where the user can capture using his smartphone camera accessed from our application. All the images are then uploaded to our Palm Care app so that Palm Care could send them to our server on Google Cloud Virtual Machine and return back the results.
Here is a deeper view of our real-time application. Our first model is the palm owner. When the palm owner enters our application, he is firstly asked to log in with his account. Once he enters his email and password, then they are sent to the Firebase for authentication. If the user chooses to diagnose a normal image, he could choose between capturing the image by the camera or uploading it from his device. He then enters the image, enter the palm number because in the fields they assign a number for every palm, and enters the palm type. The server responds back. It is a brown leaf spot disease. He could do the same for another image, and when he diagnoses, the server responds back. It's a blight leaf spot disease. For the thermal part, the user is asked to upload a thermal image that he's already captured with his thermal camera. Once he uploads the photo, and provide its data, the server respond back with red palm weevil infestation. He could do the same for as many images as he wants. And for the other try, he could see that the results from the server that it is healthy. Can see how many palms are infected and how many palms are healthy. And he could also see his personal data. He could view more statistics, like a pie chart, or even exporting a PDF file containing each palm he have with every image of these palms and the disease attached to every image in these palms. Secondly, our expert model. The expert model is made for the sake of correcting data that is confused by the AI model and retraining the dataset. The expert can zoom in to see the image and update the palm disease and then send it. Once he updated, there is a notification sent back to the palm owner who uploaded the image with the new results updated from the expert. Admin model. The purpose of admin model is that the admin could dynamically change between the user role or user type of every user. He could change from palm owner to expert or an expert to a palm owner. He also has a profile and he could update it.
Among all the thermal techniques used, this is the first thermal diagnosed technology to extend out of the use of image processing only, to also the use of powerful machine learning and deep learning models. It is also the first mobile application worldwide to provide a solution for palm disease detection. From now on, no need to hire expertise who know how to use sensors, or wait for the late outcome for laboratories using previous thermal methods. Portability. Palm Care is easily accessed and totally portable. User-friendly, environmentally friendly, cost-saved. Most importantly, it is the cheapest, quick results, and one of the fastest ways providing real-time diagnosed results.
In the future, we intend to re-implement our server on a Raspberry Pi to locally access it for faster performance. We are planning to begin the use of aerial imaging through drones and satellites to diagnose wider areas. Lastly, we are planning to use hyperspectral imaging to expand our diagnosis among all light spectrum.